Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Aakriti Yunas and today I'm going to do a very fresh, long lasting and very easy makeup look. So keep on watching. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and like this video if you like the makeup look. And I know it's been a while since I last uploaded, but thank you so much for giving so much love to my previous videos. So yeah, let's just start with the makeup now. I'm going to prep my skin and for that I'm going to use this Forest Essentials Pure Rose Water.
Kissing in the rain, walking on the beach. I can see it now, almost happening. Sneaking out at night, living like
this helps the rose water to really absorb into your skin. Now I'm going to use this lactocalamine lotion on my face. This really helps in controlling my oil glands. Next is this Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Though this is a matte foundation, but it has a very light coverage and it is very lightweight as well.
Spinning me around, falling on the ground. Got to say your voice is my favorite sound. Counting every star, dreaming every dream. You and I can live out the perfect scene. You've got a face to fit the frame. I cannot look away. Like, can't you see I'm hypnotized?
Now is the time I'm going to hide all my nights that I haven't slept. Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm going to take a very little bit of it and
you stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key and tell me I'm your darling Daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby.
now I'm going to bake my face using some baby powder because my T-zone tends to get really oily. I know I'm looking like a ghost right now, but trust me, it will all come together. Now I will move on to my eyebrows and eyes.
You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key and tell me I'm your darling Daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. You got the face to fit the frame. I cannot look away. Like, can't you see I'm hypnotized?
Now I'm taking the Nykaa Cheek Duo in the shade Brazilian Bombshell, and I'm going to take the darker shade here and I'm going to apply it all over my eyelids to give it a little warmth.
You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key tell me I'm your darling Daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Spinning me around, falling on.
Now I'm going to move on to my eyeliner, and for that I'm going to be using my Lakme Insta eyeliner.
You and I can live out the perfect scene. You've got a face to fit the frame. perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key and tell me I'm your darling daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. I saw your face in my dream. You and I had everything. A fairy tale, a fantasy. We could be anything. I saw your face in my dream. A fairy tale, a fantasy. We could be.
Now that my eyes are done, I'm going to move on to my blush and bring some color back on my cheeks. I'm going to use the same cheek duo palette and
Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like you see. I got the time. We're picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty.
I always like to apply some blush on my nose as well, because first of all it looks cute and secondly it gives a very sun-kissed effect on your face.
Sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be.
Now I'm going to use this Maybelline Masterchrome highlight, and this will bring all of our makeup together.
Spinning me around, falling on the ground. Got to say your voice is my favorite sound. Counting every star, dreaming every dream. You and I can live out the
Now that's it for the highlight. I'm going to move on to my lips, and for that I'm going to use the two of the powder mattes by Maybelline. One is the Plum Perfection and the other is the Toasted Brown.
eyes away. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. Picture perfect, barefoot beauty. You stole my heart just like in a movie. Got the key and tell me I'm your darling daisy. Picture perfect, sweet like candy. I'll be your girl, yeah, I'll be your baby. I saw your face in my dream.
Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked this makeup look. If you did, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next time.